Hello everyone, welcome back to Helen's Creative Ideas. Today's video is all about making bread stuffed with chicken filling. So let's begin with the video. This is half glass lukewarm water, yeast and sugar. I've kept it for 10 minutes and this is how it looks. And now it is ready for use. We'll take a large flat vessel. We will add the flour. We will add the required salt as per taste, and we will also add the yeast what we have prepared. Now besides adding the half cup yeast what we have prepared, we will also add normal water to form a smooth dough. We will also add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now knead well to form a smooth dough. Once the dough is prepared, we'll grease the bowl with some oil. We'll keep the dough in this bowl and pour some oil on the dough also. Cover it with a clinch wrap and keep it in some warm place for at least 3 hours. I have prepared this chicken filling 4 to 5 hours earlier. You can add your veggies, whatever of your choice, like capsicum or green peas. Now grease your tray with some oil. After 3 hours, your dough will look like this. We will knead it again for another 2 to 3 minutes. We will divide it into smaller portions. Take each ball and flatten it and then add your filling. Just get all the sides together and seal it well. I have prepared 6 bread like this, and the remaining chicken I am going to add some cheese and prepare the remaining bread. I have prepared the second tin and kept it ready. Now both these tins have to be kept for at least 45 minutes so that it will come up a little more. I have covered one tin with a clinch wrap and the other with a damp kitchen towel, and this is how it looks after 45 minutes. So this is the tray I am going to bake first. So before baking it in a preheated oven, I am going to give it an egg wash. Let me show you how. Now let's bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. As you can see, it's baking quite well and getting a nice color because of the egg wash also. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the second tin. Again, we'll give an egg wash, and this time I'm going to add some white sesame seeds on top. And here our homemade delicious and yummy bread is ready. You can make this bread by adding some keema filling or sausages or even your favorite vegetables. And let me tell you guys, it tastes yum. Do give this recipe a try. Hope you all enjoyed watching. And if you did, please subscribe and leave your valuable comments below. Until we meet again, thank you and stay safe.